Ренджин Роб. Wombrен Шибелем.
Looking good, Chipper. Wait till everyone sees how cool you are in your very own stunt show. Okay, you're on. Huh?
Next one, Ranger Bob.
Thanks, Chipper.
Activating tire.
What are you doing? I'm seeing what it's like to be Chipper. Rising mode. Flying mode. That's great, Sam.
Attention park visitors. Chipper will be doing his Big Sky Park stunt show at the Geyser Field today. You won't want to miss it.
Cool. Hey, if you really want to see what it's like to be Chipper, come with us to Chipper Stunt Show. Yeah, woohoo! I'll ask my mom and dad. Ready for your big Sky Park day, Chipper?
Affirmative. All clean and powered up.
Then what are we waiting for? I'm ready to get outside. Come on, Smoker. Chipper, come in, Chipper.
Hello, Ranger Bob.
Stopper! To the desert! Right. Hop into Chipper, Chipper. This is so cool. I love seeing the park from way up here too, Sam. Check this out. Stunt flying mode, please.
It's Ranger Rob.
Hi, Ron. Welcome to Big Sky Park. I say Big Sky when you say park. Big Sky Park. Big Sky Park.
Warning, power getting low.
No, I better charge Chipper or he won't be able to do the Big Sky Park stunt show.
Ну что, педальчик тяжело?
Great.
Чужие
This
машины
parking space
ударяют
right down there.
Ты чего молчишь?
Hey, look,
Отвечай!
it's a guy on the side of the tower. Right? Let me see. I'm just finished. Ranger Kit binoculars. Oh yeah. Wonder what he's up to. Let's go find out.
Warning, power low. Keep charging.
In a second, Chipper. We're gonna see what Dad's up to. Hi, Dad. What you doing?
Hey, Rob, I'm just preparing this communications tower.
Attention park visitors. Don't forget Chipper's Big Sky Park stunt show in the Geyser Field starting soon.
Excited about the stunt show, fellas?
Oh no! Dad's Ranger hat blew away.
And the instructions to repair this tower are with it.
Don't worry. We'll get them back. Yeah!
Thanks, guys.
Chipper, action mode. You think? Check this out. Chipper, submarine mode, please. Whoa, is that a iceberg? It's so huge. Yep, icebergs are bigger underwater than they are above it. Whoa. There he Stopper, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, macaroni and cheese. No, this penguin likes hats, so we're going to eat one. Ta-da! Come on, time for musical hats. Chipper, hit it. Battery run low, Chipper. You better hurry. Delivery mode.
Well, thank you, Chipper. And with these instructions, I can get this tower fixed.
Better get going. Get the sensor back.
Oh, very low. Recharging.
Oh no! Chipper's almost out of power.
Uh-oh. How are you gonna get Chipper to his stunt show in time?
I don't know, Dad, but I'll think of something. I don't think we have enough power to get to the charging station.
Don't worry, Ma. I'm on it.
Oh no! I hope we can charge up fast, Chipper. You don't want to be late for your own show. My Chipper do not need charging. Vroom, vroom. I'm a giant Chipper. Hey, you're right. You are. I know what to do. How would you like to start the stunt show while I stay here with Chipper until he's all charged up? Right away, Ranger up. All right. To the geysers, Chipper. Fly away. Starting any second now, everyone. Chipper, Thanks for starting the show, Sam. Hi, everybody. Great stunt show. I heard there was trouble with Chipper getting to the charging station.
Yep. But Rob took care of it.
A good ranger should always pay attention to the warning signs.
он бірінші бөлімі соңы. Фильм Қазақстан Республикалық телекапасынса ателелі қолды тасы соғынша алала тостады. 2003 жыл.